YouTube. What up? It's your boy.
Wavy Crockett.
And today I'm coming at you guys with the 2018 Beginner's Guide to get 720 waves, man. So let's get into it. First thing I want to tell you guys, man, is congratulations. Congratulations, man. You're taking the right steps and coming over to the 720 game, man. So the first thing that you need to figure out is what type of 720s do you want? There's two types of 720s. There's hybrid 720s and then there's full vertical 720s. So you need to pick which one of those that you want first. After you figure out what type of 720 pattern that you want, to get started, you need to cut your hair down low. For coarse hair wavers, I recommend cutting a 1 with the grain. For straight hair wavers, I recommend a 2, 2.5. It all depends on how straight that your hair is. The next option that you have, instead of cutting down low, you can just fully scalp, go bald head, get the Jordan, and just start off the process like that. After you've cut your hair down low, you want to find out where your crown is. Your crown could be in the middle, it could be off-centered. You need to find out where your crown is located and how it grows. It can grow clockwise or it can grow counterclockwise. So those are very, very important things that you need to see, because if you are brushing against the way your crown grows, it's gonna take you a lot longer to see progress, and it's gonna hinder you, and you're gonna get discouraged, man. Next thing that we're gonna talk about is the brushes. I recommend using a palm brush when you first start out. This one right here is a Torino 6451. One of my favorite brushes that I love to use. The reason why I recommend palm brushes for beginners is because you can really isolate your crown with this brush, and you can hit the tough angles. But I really want to put this out there, man. When I first started, yes, I used palm brushes, but now I use a lot of long handles, and it's all with progression and learning the angles and learning the full pattern. Next thing that we're gonna get into is the products. But as you can see, I don't have any products in my hand because I'm not gonna show you guys any type of products. This waving journey, when you first start, you have to figure out what works for your hair. So what I will recommend is to find a nice moisturizer, find a nice oil, and a butter and a pomade if you want to use pomade. Next thing that's very important when you first start your 720 waves is the angles. So I'm gonna unrag for you guys. I'm gonna count all my angles that I have to hit and the way I hold my brush, man. So let's get into it. Alright, YouTube, so look, we got the, like I said, the palm brush. So we're gonna start like this. So as you can see, I would place the brush here. Boom. And then I'm coming right there, right into my slant. So that is my next angle. Then I come around here. And that's the good thing about these palm brushes, how you can basically grip it, and you can really be precise with your placement of the brush. And that's a major key when having 720 waves, is the placement of the brush and really focusing on where you place that brush. So y'all can see my crown, get right in there, boom. So I can place the brush right there. I can get as close as possible, close as I want. Close as I want. But let's break down the angles real quick. So if I wanted to vertical this side, boom, I could vertical it. So that would be 1. So 1 if we didn't vertical it. 2. We come over here. 3. 4. 5. So since I finished that angle, I come here. 6. Let y'all see that better. 6. Then I come right here. I place the brush there because I've already finished that angle. 7. So I'm finishing my top. Then I'll go into my crown. 8. And I'm finishing up that part. And that's it. So it's 8 angles. I'll go straight into that crown. So it's 8 angles. So when you're a beginner, really focus on your angles and really get yourself a mirror. And that's the next thing. Get yourself a mirror and stop being lazy and blind brushing. Because with this pattern, You can't do a lot of blind brushing if you're trying to have elite 720 waves, man. There's just no way of skipping it. You have to get yourself in the mirror and focus on your angles. All right, YouTube, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. These are my tips for you guys that's beginning your 720 wave journey. Please enjoy the process, be patient, and don't give up, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wavy Crockett signing out.